Hello everyone, welcome to episode 3 of series 2 of beginner to pro crochet classes. I am Neha from channel Nesia Crochet and today we will learn square shape in crochet. In detail, step by step process and very easy method of how to make a square shape. We can also call it granny square or a normal square shape also. So I will teach you how to make a normal square shape in crochet. For proper granny square also there is a separate video on my channel, so I'll upload the link in the description. You can make learn how to make big granny squares once you learn this square. So I'll show you how to make a simple normal small square, and then if you want to go ahead with granny square, big size granny square, then you can check the description box. You will find the link there and you can understand. Maybe for practice it is good and you can understand how to make a big granny square. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get started with this one. I'm again using baby soft yarn. This is sea green color, pair of scissors and 3.5 mm of hook. Now again this shape also we will begin with magic ring. We will make a magic ring as I explained earlier how to make it. So I'll just quickly make a magic ring and chain 1 into the magic ring like this. Now chain 2 to begin. And then we will make 12 stitches, 12 double crochet stitches. So 1, 2, but in round we will not make 12 stitches since we are going to make a square shape. From the beginning, from the magic ring only, we will start making the edges for that. So for that what we will have to do, we'll make 3 stitches first, 3 double crochet stitches into the magic ring, right? Then we will do chain 2. Again 3 double crochet stitches, 1, 2 and 3, and then we will do chain 2. Now in between also, if you are working many stitches together, then you can fasten the thread a little bit and make a small loop, leave a small loop into the magic ring. So now it is easier to work. Again we will make, third time we are making 3 double crochet stitches into the magic ring after the chain 2. Okay, now again chain 2. Now this is the fourth time that we are making 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so you see we have 3 corners now, 1, 2 and 3. Now for this one, for fourth corner, we do not need to make any chain stitches. We will just insert our hook into the very first space and then we can join. So it will become a corner itself. Right, now we can stretch this yarn and close the magic ring. Okay, so you see we already have a tiny square with us with the very first row only. Right, now for second row we will make it bigger, just like circle keeps on getting bigger with every round. This square is almost similar. We just need to make sure that we are increasing the stitches into the corner edge stitches only. Otherwise into the side stitches there would be no increase of the stitches, only in the corners we will have to increase. Okay, so for next we will do chain 3. Next round we are doing chain 3 and then into very first space we will make 2 double crochet stitches. Okay, now on top of every stitch, here we have 2 stitches, so on top of every stitch we are making 1 double crochet. Now into the next one we are again making 2 double crochet stitches. Then here this is the edge stitch. In this loop we are working 2 double crochet stitches. So we will do chain 2 again for the next edge, and then into the same loop we will make 2 double crochet stitches again. Okay, now we have these 2 stitches next. On top of every stitch, specifically for these 2, we will make 1 double crochet. Okay, now into the next stitch we will make 1 and 2 double crochet stitches into this corner loop. Then chain 2 and back into the same loop we will make 2 more double crochet stitches. That means another corner stitch we have. Then again we'll follow same pattern, 1 double crochet stitches into these 2 and then into this corner loop 2 double crochet stitches, then chain 2, then again 2 double crochet stitches. So you see every corner stitch for every type of shape, this is how we'll make the corner stitches. Okay, now here again into these 2 stitches we'll make 1 double crochet, and we have reached the end. So this is our first space. Here back into the same space we will make 2 double crochet stitches. Since we have already made 2 in the beginning, so we are remaining with 2 more. So 2 double crochet stitches here back into the same first space, and then we will join it with the very first space with the help of a slip stitch. So this is our 4th corner, right? So this is how we can make the square shape, and we can increase the size of the square shape as much as we want with this pattern only. For 3rd row also you can follow similar pattern, just make sure that into the corners you are increasing the stitches. So I want you to practice a square stitch, as after circle the square stitches are the square palettes are the most important palettes in crocheting. So if you are crocheting baby dresses or cardigans or anything, you will find the square shape things everywhere. Granny squares would be everywhere in crochet. You will see many things of granny square, like blankets, curtains also there, covers are also there, pillow covers, cushion covers, cardigans, hoodies, everything is made with granny square. So this is the most commonly used squares. This one, and like this is granny square only. We have 2 different type of stitches. So as I mentioned, I will upload a link in the description. Once you practice this stitch, this is the very basic one, you can go for that bigger palette of granny square. So there I have in that video I have explained how to make bigger granny square, and also how to change the color of the yarn in between. So different yarn, switching the yarns also I have explained in that video. So for this one here, once we are done, once you will complete the entire length of the circle, whatever size you want, once you complete it, you will just make a slip chain stitch at the end, and then cut the yarn here and then fasten it. So this is how it will be ready. You can secure the thread, bring them together and make a knot at the back, or you can secure it simply to the back. So this is a square shape for today. I hope you enjoy learning with me. I hope you learned the steps how to make a square. If you have any confusions or any doubts in making the bigger one, go to the other video that I have link in the description. Else you can always drop comment and ask me any question you have, that how many stitches would be there in the 3rd round or 4th round, how to increase. As I already explained, corner stitches should be increased. In case you still have any doubts, then do drop me comments. I will try to reply as much as I can. And thank you for watching. In next video we are going to learn star shape. So that is going to be a very interesting shape and very interesting tutorial, so don't miss it. And once you practice this completely, then only jump on to the next one. So in next video we will learn how to make star shape. Until then, take care and thank you for watching.